Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. We're heading over to the beautiful islands of the Philippines in Southeast Asia, where they experienced a magnitude 6.0 earthquake on April 4th, 2026, at local time at around 7:34 p.m. at a depth of 62 miles under the Earth's surface, about 96 kilometers, which puts it as an intermediate focal depth for this earthquake. The epicenter is 4 degrees north and 126 degrees east. That places it geographically in the Celebes Sea, which is part of the larger Philippine Sea, which is part of the larger Pacific Ocean, and it's in between two islands. One island south of Mindanao, which is in the Philippines, which is called Sarangani Island, and it has 22,000 people living there, and the other island is Caraquilon Island, which is part of Indonesia, which has 51,000 people. So this epicenter is in between both of these islands. Now, tectonically, this earthquake was caused by the release of energy from friction along a convergent plate boundary called the Sangihe Trench. Extends south from the Philippines to Indonesia and is also the location of the previous magnitude 7.4 in Indonesia occurred on April 1st along the adjacent Halmahera Trench in a face-to-face or arc-to-arc collision convergent system. This 6.0 is a similar situation with, to the west, we have the Cotabato Trench, which produces a close proximity arc-to-arc collision system. And to the east, we have the much larger and powerful Philippine Trench, whereby the Philippine Plate is subducting underneath the Sunda Plate, and the Sunda Plate is converging and subducting under the Sangihe Trench, creating this arc-to-arc collision. Now, back in October of 2025, there was a magnitude 7.4 that occurred just north of today's epicenter in the Philippines, which was a very powerful earthquake, and it's around the same tectonic system as this smaller 6.0 today.